In this video, we're going to be learning how to align these elements and how to distribute the spaces between these elements through our Align panel from here. And if you don't see it in here, you can open it from window and choose Align. So now we've got these design elements and we need to select them and we need to align them and make them more organized. So once we select them, we're going to be seeing the aligning options in here, or either in our properties panel in here, we're going to be seeing same options for aligning. And if you need to see more options, you're going to be pressing in here, you're going to be seeing the same panel you've got in here. We're going to be seeing align and distribute objects in here. Those are for aligning and this is for spaces and distribution between elements. And that part for distributing spaces between the elements, we're going to be talking about that now. And if you don't see that part, you can show it from here. Click on that menu, you're going to be seeing show options in here. So anyway, now we need to make all these elements on the same horizontal line. We're going to be selecting that one and we're going to be having all these elements on the same line, as you can see. And if we need to align them to the top, we're going to be selecting that one. And if we need to select to the bottom from here as well. And we can be testing the horizontal options on these vertical elements. We can be selecting these and we can be aligning to left from here, or right, or center. So now let's say we need to set the distances between our elements to make them more organized. We're going to be moving that one a little bit like that, a little bit far, and this one a little bit far. We're going to be selecting all these elements and we will be choosing that one to have a similar distance between the center of each of these elements. But if you pay a close attention, you're going to be seeing that that distance is not similar to that one, because these shapes doesn't have the same dimension or the same width in this case. So we have a similar distance between those centers, but not between the objects. And in order to set a similar distance between the objects, we're going to be going to align to and choose, instead of selection, make it align to key object. And now we will be having that option activated to choose the distance between our elements. And then we will be choosing horizontal distribute spaces. And now we have similar distance between our elements. And same as well goes to here. If we select that one and we align to key object and we make that one maybe 20 and select vertical distribute, we're going to be having 2 centimeters or 20 millimeters between each and every element of these elements. And in case if we want to make them start by our artboard and end to our artboard, we're going to be selecting align to artboard and then we're going to be choosing that option. And we will be having our elements aligned to our artboard, as you can see them in here. Here's one more thing to cover about aligning our objects. We can be selecting that one outside, and let's say we have these elements and we need to set them in the center of our artboard. We're going to be grouping these elements, Command G, then we're going to be selecting align to artboard, then choose horizontal and vertical alignment, and now we will be having your design elements exactly in the center of your artboard. So that's it for our Align panel. It's very important to create professional design. Don't ever depend on your eyes to set the distances between the objects, because they're not gonna be very accurate. So make sure to align your objects using the Align panel to have a professional design.